DashPass is DoorDash's subscription service that offers free delivery on eligible orders and exclusive deals for frequent users. It costs $9.99 per month or $99 per year, providing benefits like priority support. To cancel, first log in to the DoorDash app or visit their website. Navigate to your account settings, find the DashPass section, and select Manage Subscription. Choose the Cancel option and confirm your decision. Cancellations take effect immediately. If you encounter any issues during cancellation, contact DoorDash support through the app or by calling their support line. For annual subscriptions, this prevents renewal. For monthly plans, it stops immediate billing. To avoid recurring charges, monitor your linked payment method, like credit card or PayPal, for any pending transactions within 48 to 72 hours after cancellation. After cancellation, unlink your payment method from DoorDash to prevent accidental reactivations. Also, check your bank statements for any reversals. Remember this key tip: always cancel before your renewal date to avoid being charged for the next billing cycle. You will receive an email confirmation after cancellation. Retain this as proof of your cancellation. If you see any charge after cancellation, contact DoorDash support right away using your cancellation confirmation. Their phone number is 1-855-973-1040.